guys, let's make ogbono soup. If you watch this video and you still cannot make a perfect ogbono soup, then you need deliverance. Yes, this soup really makes my day, guys. At this point, I'm in heaven, guys. Before we proceed, please like and subscribe, okay? I go on by cooking my protein. I see onions, salt, seasoning cube, okay? Then I add little water. After adding the water, I cover it and allow it to cook for 12 minutes. Please, if you are using a normal pot, cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Cook until your proteins are soft, guys, okay? And here is my dry fish. I go on in soaking with hot water. I love washing it with hot water, okay? After soaking it, then I proceed with the cooking. Here is my pot. As soon as I add it in my fire, I add my oil in it. Please, I'm not bleaching the oil, okay? I just add oil and hot ogbono immediately. I go on by adding hot water. Please, always you mix your ogbono with hot water. It will make it to mix so easily. It will make it to combine so easily, okay? Then after mixing it, I add more hot water. I mix it until it's well combined. Don't say I didn't tell you, don't mix your ogbono with cold water. I told you, now write it down. Guys, after mixing it, I go on by adding all my proteins, okay? After adding my proteins, I stir all together. After stirring it together, I'm gonna, cover it and allow it to cook for 6 to 7 minutes. And before I cover it, I add my dry fish. You can say I just added my dry fish, okay? So after that, I open it and add my washed periwinkle, grounded crayfish, pepper, blended pepper. It's a fresh pepper. I love fresh pepper. Then I go on and add my iru, ogiri, local beans. Then I add it and mix it very, very. I love it too. I love ogiri. I don't know about it. It's optional, but it tastes so nice, okay? Then I add it and mix it together. I mix it until it's well combined. Guys, at this point, if you come my house, everywhere is smelling so good, this ogbono soup. Then I go ahead and please don't cover it tightly, okay? I cover it and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I add my seasoning cube and salt, okay? Then after adding it, I stir it together. I stir it and make sure everything marry themselves, okay? Stir and make sure it's well combined. Please, mixing is very, very necessary. And please, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? I love you, and give me a like thumb, okay? Then I open it and add my uziza leaf. You can also use leaf of your choice, but guys, I love ogbono with uziza. Ogbono with uziza is the best. If you doubt me, try it, and if you try it, let me know, okay? Let me know in the comment section, okay? Cover it and allow it to cook for just a minute. Yes, I use frozen uziza, but it tastes so good, okay? You can also use a fresh one. All are the same. Guys, I put uziza and allow it to cook for just a minute. After a minute, guys, this soup, oh my God. This soup really makes sense. So yummy, so delicious. This is our soup is ready, guys. Who is there? Who is there? Come on, eat with me. It come up so delicious, so yummy, so fantastic, guys. At this point, my body is shaking, because I was so hungry and I really enjoyed this ogbono soup. It makes my day, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, okay? Thank you so much, and come and join me. Let's eat together. Have a beautiful time. Bye.